Hi everyone! Without a doubt, Tenerife in the Canary Islands is an underrated hiking destination. Tenerife has glorious mountains and a superb coastline. There are many amazing Tenerife hiking trails to do that'll help you explore the island. With this in mind, we're going to show you some of the best hikes in Tenerife. But before watching this video, feel free to read our Hiking Tenerife blog post. You can find the link in the description below. The guide goes into detail about everything you need to know about hiking in Tenerife and everything you need to know about doing the hikes in this video. Let's start with hikes in Teide National Park. First up is the walk around Roques de Garcia and Roques Cinchado. The incredible rock formations, known as Roques de Garcia, are a star attraction of the national park. By doing this short loop hike, you can explore Roques de Garcia and its many outstanding landforms, including the well-known Roque Cinchado. Also located in Teide National Park, the Mount Guajara hike involves a series of interconnected trails that lead you to the summit of Mount Guajara. From there, you'll face opposite Mount Teide, which is the highest mountain in Tenerife. This is one of the hardest hikes in Tenerife, so you'll have your work cut out. The Montaña Rajada trail is only a short walk in Teide National Park. During the underrated hike, you'll walk between both Montaña Rajada and Montaña Blanca, which are two smaller mountains at the foot of Mount Teide. Also known as Sendero 13 or S13, this is another underrated and lesser known walk in Teide National Park. Along the way, you'll enjoy incredible views of Mount Teide and Pico Viejo, which is Tenerife's second highest mountain. Popularly known as the Chinyero circuit, you'll find this trail located in the Chinyero Special Nature Reserve. It's located right next to Teide National Park, so it's a convenient walk to do before or after exploring Teide. By doing this walk, you'll explore Chinyero volcano's lava fields from its fairly recent volcano eruption in 1909. hope you enjoyed the hikes from Teide National Park in the nearby Chinyero Special Nature Reserve. We're now cracking on with some hikes from the sensational Anaga Rural Park. Personally, we thought the Anaga Mountains had some of the best hiking in Tenerife. We'll start with the Chinamada Trail, which stretches from Punta del Hidalgo to Cruz del Carmen. Chinamada is actually located between these two towns. Being short on time, we opted for doing a section of the Chinamada Trail between Punta del Hidalgo and Chinamada, which is actually an increasingly popular trail option. During this hike, you'll explore a gigantic gorge called Barranco del Rio, which provides awesome mountain and coastal views. Now, it's time for the awe-inspiring Playa de Benijo to El Draguillo hike. Although, some people do the longer Playa de Benijo to Ferro de Anaga hike. Again, having run short on time, we did the shorter loop version with a focus of getting to Mirador Cabizo del Tijo. Dead set, we think this Mirador is the best viewpoint in Tenerife. If you explore the Anaga Mountains, it's very likely that you'll see Roque de Taborno, which is a striking rocky monolith. But not that many people do the circular walk around this incredible landform. We hope this video inspires you to follow in our footsteps. Doing the Roque de Taborno circuit trail is one of the best hiking experiences that you can have in Tenerife. Sendero de los Sentidos translates in English to the Path of the Senses. This is a charming forest trail in the Anaga Mountains that we highly recommend. You'll find other great Tenerife hiking opportunities outside of the main national and rural parks. Definitely, some of our favourite hikes in Tenerife weren't in Teide National Park, Anaga Rural Park, or Tino Rural Park. So, let's look at 4 other epic hikes located in other areas of the coast or in other reserves or protected areas. A great place to start is Montaña Roja, also known as the Red Mountain. Located in the Montaña Roja Special Nature Reserve, this hike explores this exceptional red mountain, which also provides superb views of the beaches surrounding it. Next is the immense Paisaje Lunar, which is an incredible natural lunar landscape. The official trail, starting in Villa Flor de Chasna, explores the lunar landscapes. Located in Ardege, Barranco del Infierno is one of the most spectacular gorges in Tenerife. Certainly, Barranco del Infierno makes for one of the best gorge walks in Tenerife. The gorge walk includes many viewpoints and attractions as it meets the gorge floor. Following the riverbed, you'll eventually reach a waterfall. Last but not least is Rambla de Castro. Located in the protected landscape of Rambla de Castro, this coastal walk features many brilliant lookouts and natural spaces. We highly recommend fitting this walk into your Tenerife hiking itinerary. Anyway, we hope we've inspired you to hike these amazing trails in Tenerife. Again, for more information about these hikes, such as information about trail navigation, how to get there and what to expect, just click on the link for our Tenerife hiking blog post provided in the description below. That way, you'll be able to learn more about any of the hikes you've seen in this video that you're interested in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to keep up to date with all of our latest hiking adventures. Cheers!